Yeah. This software is called Web Cutups, which is a web extension allowing users to build collages from mouse-drawn cuts of web page content. The design functionality was tailored towards the cutting of YouTube videos, however, it works well for many other websites. When running the software, keyboard and mouse events become recognized, which support on-screen drawing of polygon shapes. The content located within a drawn polygon, including static page content such as pictures and text, along with dynamic web page content like videos, can be copied and pasted into a secondary window, which allows the collage to be assembled through a set of user modifications and transformations. This project was inspired by a collage maker installation within the ArtLens gallery at the Cleveland Museum of Art. This installation is in the form of a large touchscreen surface through which the user can pick from a variety of artworks and historical objects that are located within the museum. From these objects, they can draw freeform shapes and create their own collages. My intention was to replicate this utility, however, to open it up for more source material, including all of what is available on the internet and on personal devices, as opposed to what is just inside of a museum. The structure of this project was mainly written in JavaScript and includes two important files along with a set of accompanying libraries used, which are p5.js and 3.js. There is a sketch.js file which places a canvas element over top of the user's window upon key triggering. This allows the user to draw a polygon vertex by vertex. Next, it recognizes and changes color when a user clicks inside the polygon, indicating that the shape has been selected. It also includes a function to generate a JSON output to the clipboard via copy and paste, which formats essential data points for rendering on the assembly screen, which is called assembler.js. This JSON file includes a clip path, a URL, window width, and height. The clip path is composed of a set of XY points which represent the mouse X and Y of the drawn shape on a website. The user's window width and height are taken into account so that these positions can be converted to a universal percentage value. Clip path is a CSS attribute which can mask portions of an element, in our case it is an iframe, and hide parts of the element that are outside of the boundaries of that clip path. To summarize, this extension, as it is in the form of an extension, is applicable to a user through their own personal device, which means that it's accessible to a user's habits of browsing, including their metadata, their cookies, their search history, and especially as it is being used in adjacent to YouTube, which has very sophisticated recommender system algorithms and kind of querying of their YouTube database upon search requests. I think that this project is in line with previous collage movements of the early 1900s. However, the material used in collaging is in the form of our current society of the web page. I think through navigating one's own personal browser and landing upon certain source material that is of interest and choosing to cut it up and rearrange it and combine and assemble in new ways allows a user to engage in a different relationship with their web browser and to think about the nature of their browser and their own habits of web use in different ways. I hope that this project was thought-provoking and enjoyable in terms of a practice of creating collages.